This year, JEA's Incident Command held Day 3 of its hurricane exercise in a large conference room in a Category 5 rated building. The Incident Command will hunker down here if a storm is severe enough.
And now that we're in a remote location, this is an opportunity for us to exercise what if we aren't able to operate in our normal methods, in our normal buildings with our normal comforts, to really push the envelope to find what are we missing.
As part of this annual exercise, JEA added something new to the mix, a major environmental disaster. In the scenario, a piece of flying metal punctured a diesel storage tank at Kennedy Generating Station, which left diesel fuel leaking into the St. Johns River.
If this were a real situation, which could happen during a hurricane, gray sky, then that would add a layer of complexity on the operations that take place here at the EOC.
Hurricane restoration is a team effort. That's why JEA invited some important players to its 5-day exercise, including the city's Chief of Emergency Preparedness.
And make sure that as a community, we're working together, you're exercising your plans. We're here to talk about what the city does and how we interact, and getting everyone prepared for the season.
Preparedness is key. It's the best possible protection against the dangers and discomforts associated with a big storm.
These exercises are such an important piece of our overall preparedness. They allow us to, in real time, exercise scenarios that might come during a storm to make sure our employees are comfortable with the battle rhythm and are comfortable with responding in real time if we were to get hit by a storm.